Listen, these onions are so strong. The breakfast, not do nothing. Mr. May are dead for hungry. Murderation, botheration, and carnation. She's a bad man down. She's a bad man down.
Bang.
She's a bad man down. Just as fast as she's a bad man. She's a bad man. She's a bad man. Damn, she's a bad just as fast. Damn, she's a bad just as fast. Hello beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, which you most likely are because this is our second video, please go ahead and like, subscribe, and follow me on all socials at Dear Kelia. People, oh no, come out. You guys completely outdid yourselves. And I honestly did not expect so much love and support on my first video. I am so grateful. I want to thank everybody who liked, who commented, who subscribed, who shared, everything. Thank you so much for coming along with me on this journey. I am so excited for this week's vlog and I don't want to keep you guys any longer. Please go ahead and enjoy. So it's actually Sunday night. I'm starting this vlog Sunday night. Yeah, it is now 10:53 p.m. and I'm just going to do my meal prep. I have some chicken, I have some fish, and I have some shrimp, and I have quinoa and just the regular stuff. Even if I don't cook all the meals tonight, which I'm kind of leaning towards me not cooking the meals, I'm going to make sure that everything is seasoned to the bone. So let's go and season some meat. When I think about your
High volume.
I got what you need, so come share my world. I'll let you know that you don't have to go. Don't wonder no more what I think about you. If it's something that you want, you should make me your girl, your girl. If it's something that you need, then baby, come and share my world, share my world. If it's something that you want, come and take a walk with me.
Listen, these onions are so strong. My eyes are literally watering.
Never gotta sweep that. You could bet that, never gotta sweep that.
And I'm the smoker, we raise the bet. Cause you're the joker, tripped off. You wanna yeah, when the sky comes falling, even when the sun don't shine, I got faith in you and I. Just put your pretty little hand in.
If you're from Montego Bay and you know Grand Depot, I got these meal prep food containers for $3,100 or $200, and it's 50 that's in there. I think I have some clips from Saturday that I didn't post in the last vlog. I'm going to show you some of the other types that they have. They have these meal prep plates. These are 1,500 basically. These are 50 again, and this is for 3,625. Are the double compartments. You can't see here, but the double compartments. And these are 4,515. Alright, so it is pretty late. I'm going to show you what I have prepared. These are the different things. It look like a bit, but enough. A whole heap of work. So this is shrimp, so I can separate them and do curry shrimp, or if I want to do a shrimp pasta or something. This is basa fish fillet. I just seasoned it. I can do whatever I want with it. This is red snapper fish fillet. I want to do steamed fish with it, with crackers and all those things. This is curried basa fish fillet. This is curried chicken thighs, and this is sweet honey spicy chicken thighs. These are sweet peppers, carrots, lettuce, cabbage, string beans, and cauliflower. And then I have this bowl of romaine lettuce, quinoa that I got from Price Mart. I don't quite remember how much I paid for it. It was quite some time now. So that's basically it. I'm closing out this portion of the vlog and I'm going to my bed. So see you tomorrow. Finish showering, you know, get myself together. So I'm going to now make breakfast. All right, so I decided that I'm going to boil 2 eggs, just some Canadian bacon, 2 breakfast sausages because I really want to get my protein up. So later today I want to start 75 medium, so I'm going to show you that as well. I'm telling the truth, my belly no full. My belly don't full. Right after I finish eating breakfast, I usually plan out my day. I usually do that in my planner. And this planner is from Planner Studio, my business, of course. So if you need a planner or if you are interested in getting a planner, you can go and check out my business. It's plannerstudio.com, and we specialize in planners like this one. We specialize in notepads and just all different types of stationery. Our new line should be coming out in September, which is not far from now. So you'll be able to order your planner from then for 2026. Guys, it's now 1:31. Well, no, I think at 12 o'clock. Guys, the breakfast not do nothing. Mr. Me are dead for hungry. Hunger near me shut, literally. For lunch, I have this Chobana Greek yogurt. This one is pineapple. I've never tried this one before. It's later in the night. On a brighter note, I'm up now, ready to do some work. So usually in the nights or in the evenings, I'll focus on my businesses. Tonight, I have some orders to fulfill for TapThat. I'm going to work on that.
What's up? Been a minute since we kicked it, you been caught up with the bitches. I don't get it, you're a star, love. You shouldn't have to deal with that. I'd never make you feel like that. I love me enough for the both of us. That's why you trust me.
Why? You know, the first day of school when I lay out your shoes and your everything. That's me right here. People, it was a struggle to get up. Not telling a lie. I did well excited last night and motivated, but why? And people are walking already. The panel people out there fit. So anyway, we're gonna do our little walking. It's day 1, so I'm not really pressuring myself. I'm gonna reach, and this is the hill. What do people them say? Trot? Jesus Christ Almighty God. No, sir. That was good, but murderation, botheration, and kind. So this morning I had to rush out of the house because I was pretty late. It's now 5:14 after work. I'll be doing quite a few errands before I head home. I'll be going to a place called Grand Depot in Montego Bay. It's like one of those Chinese haberdasher places. I'm going to get some weights to continue my workout, and I'll also be stopping at Knoxford to drop off orders that I packaged.
Say she get it from her mama. I'ma say you got it right. Body with this polite. Don't be in the humble type. Tell me, is you down? Cause I'm tryna go good tonight. Hoes and hoochies left and right. I just wanna live in a fantasy. I think we deserve it right. Top of the memories I've ever made in my life. Permanent ecstasy. The ladies is pimps tonight. Living inside a dream. Let's play where the love is like.
Look what a hot body can do. No, it's just like it, but get in there, get in there. Got any resistor? Fragrance, man. I'm close them young, you know. Merciful Father, close them young. What? What's up with it?
Yeah, other party I look so. Yeah, other party I look so. All my girls them stand up and I look so. What you do to me? Selector, bounce now when I feed the girl them bubble man. Fill up to see the girl them a bubble, put up your hand. You play song, the girl start bust down. Now the girl them time, play song, the girl white. Big selector up here, you know rookie.
People will probably say, Kile used to go gym. This shouldn't be hard. But guys, if 5 years of fat I choke all of the muscle, what kind of memory can it have? Seriously. Oh my god! Wow! They just called me that they're outside with my package from DHL. Let's go and collect it. Our packages, because I just got one. The rest are delayed at customs apparently. Okay, I got my one off my Pavoy bracelet. But yeah, I like this. It's cute and it's not shiny yellow looking gold. It's not very heavy though, but it's supposed to be tarnish free. So hopefully it is that. Anyway, I'm going back to work. I just stopped to do this because the package came. Good afternoon, everyone. So today is Saturday, August 30. And I'll be going to get my lashes done. I'm just doing the final touches on getting ready. So I'm just fixing my hair to go. So I'm gonna take you with me to get my lashes done for the first time ever. I'm getting fusion. Never done it before. And of course I am late.
Drop the roof and let the smoke clear. I got diamonds doing to these slides and both ears. Ice falling on the Las Vegas strip tonight. Slip that on and we might justify. Fuck a night, I keep the wallet in my shorty bag. Know she want the mom when she tattoo that ass. I'm a lover boy.
Alright guys, so these are the lashes. So I had a very good experience there. I did explain to her that it's my first time doing lashes, and throughout the entire process she continually asked me if I was okay, if I made any little twitch. She asked if I was comfortable, all that. I really appreciated that. Great experience, and I would 100% recommend them.
I don't need like to get it poppin', but these bitches in my business call me out, you're choosing violence. If you see me out in public